times, anytime you need a payment. Good times, anytime you need a friend. Good times, anytime you're out from under.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a special guest, my wig grip. I wanted to start by wearing my wig grip because I glued down like 1 or 2 wigs in my edges. I guess I haven't been taking it out properly, but you know, we're not doing that. We're not losing any edges for no wig. We're gonna bring back Old Faithful, and today we're gonna be rocking Outre NEESHA 206. Now she's still attached because I was doing some prepping the other day, but honestly she doesn't need much. The lace looks good, the hairline looks pretty good. I was gonna pluck it just to practice my plucking. To be honest, it really doesn't need it, but I couldn't find my tweezers and I bought like a 6-pack, 10-pack.
What we throwing up? I went from going into town to we throwing up. What we throwing? All these praises, what I'm throwing up. Yeah, can't be selling out for a compliment. My worldly ways fade away to yesterday. Yo. Forgiveness guided me to my blessings. Let temptation stick around, it's bound to snatch it away. Yo. Face a gift from the Father. You could tell her really down by how they pray. I could tell her really down how they deal with my pain. Who gon' fight the battle with me when trials baking faith? I'm gon' be there when I need you. I know you'll answer. No pressure, no fear. I know you'll be there. Let me know. I need guidance and protection. On the road to your presence, to you. We need more praising and less complaining. Wanna remind you of the usher without the raiment. Can't let it burn, I want heaven with God's greatness. God made a way out of the sin and I can see the exit. God made a way through his son, my sin sitting upon the tables of that repentance. Me and the spirit, WWE tag team.
So if I had my tweezers, I would go and break up this hairline. I went in the part a little bit and kind of opened it up. The cut on this wig is so nice. It gives me roller wrap vibes. The only thing I don't like is like how it curls up. It's giving bump the ends, and no, that's what we're not trying to have. So yeah. Okay, corporate baddie. Oh my goodness. Sitting on the girls at the office. And if you want to know how I prep my hair for wigs, I'll put a card up here somewhere, wherever it'll be. Very easy to install. No glue required. You can definitely pluck the hair some more to make it look more natural. But if you just want to install it quick, just say you're installing it before work, because like I said, we're corporate baddies and we don't have time for that. We get our sleep. The feathers, the layers on this wig are nice. So okay, looking on Outre's site, this is Outre NEESHA 206 from the NEESHA line. This is like one of the newer NEESHAs, kind of. The length is 12 to 14 inches. Permiyaki texture. It is. I will give it permiyaki. And it comes in all the colors, honey. It comes in all the colors. Heat safe up to 400. HD lace. Easy to wear styles. Okay. And yeah, like I said, this is my sweet spot as far as length goes. The only thing that I don't like about it, well, the only 2 things I don't like about it are these ends, girl, but that's the easy fix. You can get a flat iron and bump these ends. Well, unbump. You can unbump the ends, the hairline, but that's the easy fix as well. You can even put it behind your hairline and wear your own edges out. So many ways. And this one, the styling options, you don't have that many because it's a lace part wig. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see what's coming next. Bye.